Hello.
Seconds of silence. I'm trying to work out whether my pack's still clipping or my ears still distorting. I need to turn up really loud to do it. That's fine. Good, thank you.
John, where are my ambience currently at? Right, okay. Cool, let's play. I just wanted to know. No, I meant for the Manchester show. So leave it where they are for now.
Just want to hold on right to the
What do you reckon to the set? It feels up here in such a high, it's drifting off into the If you're alright, it doesn't suit.
We should change the context.
I will. Not very far. I won't take it down too far.
Sounds really loud.
Yeah. Are we sure that all the seconds are in post for this? The acoustic seems quite loud and a little bit glassy to me. John, does everyone think that this is too loud?
Get it?
Actually, have you just getting that down to it?
Sounds nice, sounds full. Full.
Should we do opening act? What? Graham, hilarious gay on sound. Hilarious gay.
Graham K.
Lol.
That feels a little more sensible up here. Is that still okay for you? It's called playing. Taher, hello, can I get a 9-volt battery, please?
Do you want me to drop out some of the bottom of this frame? It's a bit full up here. Cool. They did shower room earlier.
Full of it.
No. Sounds fine in here, just want to make sure it hasn't got too much.
intention to hurt you. do. I've hurt so many people. It was never my intention to hurt you. Nothing on my sake. They can tell which way the river's going, tell which way the wind is blowing. I'll take care of the sun on the little things. The walking goes a better way. Seasons change. Baby, I worry about the buzzing of the bees, about grass and snakes and spawning lakes and different types of trees. And I will find a way that leads from cooling wood to me. And someday soon it will be June and you'll decide to stay. Oh,
G-ball.
Those are little kids running.
How are you doing? What do you want from me? Yeah, anything in particular or just... Don't like. Anyone got any burning desire? Oh, what was I going to suggest? Oh yeah, can we do 1 foot? Jack.
Don't hurt yourself, Frank.
Don't hug yourself.
La.
Is everybody ready? Everybody ready now?
On the very day I died, the very last of my desires is that you take my broken body and commit it to the fire. And then when the fire is finished, scrape the ashes in a tin, take them down to London, shrinking reservoirs and throw them in. Turn the snakes and penitence and move. I'm also remain. Sign down 7 million flows into 7 million veins.